Happy Friday, folks. Just trying to show you a ruler here. And oh, wow. And as I drop it there, let me show you what I was trying to show you. Pull this back out. What I was trying to show you, and that's metric there. Here, I'll just do both because there's people on both sides of the pond here. This is what it is, metric. Give you an idea. Start here at the end. So it's going to, reading is about 21, just 30 to almost 20, almost what was that, 10 centimeters. I think that's the unit of measure on that. Yeah, I don't ever use that one. Sorry. For those of you that are on the metric system, definitely a much better system to use if you're doing physics. But anyway, what I wanted to show you, pull this in really quick. If I take this, so it's almost 4 inches wide right here. The tank is 2 feet deep. So if I take this right here, and that's a good, I'm guessing that's about close to 8 inches. So add 2 feet and 8 inches. You know, you're looking at almost a 3 foot long leaf for the lace plant, and it's still growing out. And it is a gorgeous leaf, and they're so fun to. And it's funny because I have one in the. I'll show you this one over here. I've got this one right here, and it's almost a different species. You can see how it's narrow and thin, and it gets these weird patches on it, and that's probably just me not giving it some nutrients or something. I don't know, but what I wanted to show you, that. I haven't used Flourish in a while, which I probably need to do. I sometimes I get where I start dosing it a lot, and that basically I've been trying to pull off on it and just to see if it's really helping. And it honestly looks like it does, because right here, this isn't the bright green that it usually is. It still has good growth, but I'm noticing some algae in here. And one thing that people will tell you with CO2 is if you have really bright light and you're doing CO2 or like the liquid carbon, the plants grow more than the algae. Matter of fact, look, it's that Ludwigia. Hard to pull that leaf right there. Let you see it. I'm going to pull this leaf right here so you can see it. But this, well, has a little bit of, can't really see it in the camera. Had just a little bit of spot algae on it, but this plant is doing great. You can see how far it's rooted well. It's coming out. The other thing that's really neat, this banana plant's doing amazing. But what this one is doing is really cool. This is how it propagates. I didn't know this until I actually planted this one. But you can see there is off of this stem, that is a baby banana plant right there. See it right there, and it'll actually grow. My guess is, it grows and breaks off, and then it just floats off and has another plant. But that's really cool. I didn't realize it did that. And this is the main reason I'm recording. It's really late tonight, but you can just see the leaves on this lace plant. And it was probably 6 weeks ago I cut them all down. I might have cut them all back about 6 weeks ago, and it's totally grown back. And I know this may sound crazy, but I keep the lace plant dead center because there's shadow here because of this brace bar. And it really doesn't like that really bright, strong light, but it loves water flow. And it loves really good current. So the lily pads kind of does well with that. Kind of moving this around, but now I've got the runners over here with the swords again. But what I wanted to show you, if you look right over in that corner, I've got more angel eggs. See if I can't get to it. Do a better job of hoping I can show you that really well. And